Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just showing off this Irish lace crochet cardigan that I've just completed. It took about 300 hours or so because each motif was made piece by piece, and what I mean by that is circle by circle, flower by flower. What I really like about it is I've got some really nice 3D detail going on it, as you can see. I've got these beautiful flowers here. I've got some beautiful flowers in the arms as well. I am going to be making another, and that is out of this colour right here. I'll just pop this up against here so you can see. So this is an arm panel, the front panel. And I am gonna be filming this bit by bit so that I can take you along on this journey with me. So if you'd like to follow along, please subscribe, please like, and if you've got any comments or suggestions, please do share. Now, with this piece, the reason that I'm remaking it is it's because this weighs about 3 kgs, and my little size 6 to 8 body of course struggles to carry the weight of it. So this is more like my prototype. Now what I am using is I am using some thinner yarn for the next one that I'm making. As you can see here, it's a lot thinner in comparison to this piece here. For the one that I'm also the one that I'm completing at the moment, I did want to put like a beautiful collar at the top, maybe a motif collar as well. With the designs, I'm going to use more flowers and more circles instead of like leafy here cartwheel things, more raised motifs. So I think I'm going to keep the next pattern quite simple. This does look beautiful if you can see all that detail under there. Yeah, and I did use two colors, the lighter green and the darker green. Another thing with this one is I cut around paper and I did get the size wrong. So as you can see, can you see how long that sleeve is? It comes up really long. So what I'm going to do for my next piece is I'm going to use a long cardigan that I have, this one here, which is quite fitted on me. I'm going to use this as a guide to build on top of. The last thing that I want to improve on the next one that I'm going to be making along with hopefully yourselves is, can you see how this is ruffled at the front here? And this is really ruffled. I would like to make one that is straight, just in case I'd like to put buttons on it, because I did attempt buttons on this. However, of course the buttons didn't close because it is so ruffled. Yeah, so please do follow along on my journey to make another one in the colour that I've just shown, and I may even consider lining the new one. For this piece I purchased this bottle green to line it with, but I'm not too certain if I should go ahead and do that. I feel that it may take away from the patterns here, as you can see. Drop comments below and let me know your thoughts on the lining. Please follow my journey. Bye.